Let's get ready to rumble. No. Hey guys, hey, welcome back in. Hey, just double tapping in. I caught a nice little article that came out with Wall Street memes. Just kind of, it's a very good point on where short sellers that were very profitable have gotten into a portion of what we call like a bind now, to where short positions are not as profitable as they seemed. Guys, again, like we already know, the intangibles were in a financial collapse. The dollar is under attack. It is collapsing. Banks are falling. Liquidity's dry. I just want to teeter all that in on where we're at with our current state of affairs, especially with our AMC run. But let's catch this video, and then, like I said, I just got some key points at the end here for us to tap in on. I hope everybody's Good Friday was excellent. Hey, it's gonna be a good Saturday once this rain stops. Get some brewskis out here, guys. Hey, I'm taking a drink. We got a crazy week ahead of us, some crazy weeks ahead of us. But let's tap in, and then, like I said, we got some keynotes in here. Yes, sir.
It is no surprise that speculative assets such as growth stocks, cryptocurrencies, and meme stocks have encountered rough seas this year. Just looking at simple year-to-date performances, the losses have been. Our current macro scenario is quite different from that of 2021, and for the worse. This year, the economy started to show signs of weakness, with high inflation and rising interest rates taking a toll on equities, especially of highly leveraged companies. In an environment of uncertainty, and with recession risks ahead, many investors have preferred to play it safe rather than bet on companies that have been unprofitable so far. For much of 2020 and 2021, short sellers got seriously burned betting against speculative assets, including some of the most iconic meme stocks. However, in bear market years, short sellers can rack up impressive gains. They have certainly done so in 2022. As of early December, market bears have registered stellar profits on some of the most popularly short-sold stocks. Tesla's short sellers made about $11.6 billion in mark-to-market profits.
Guys, I just want to just tap in and pause here. Just remember now, the original short squeeze stock was Tesla. If you want to see a company, and like I said, this is why I'm telling y'all the fundamentals of where this company, high pricing power companies that have a bunch of cash that are building. You are seeing through these times now companies that are like, hey, it's times getting hard. Hey, we're cutting up, and they start to retreat in and shrink. And then companies where these recessions come and they are like, oh yes, we're expanding. We're getting more, investing more in our company. This is a takeover. XRP, Tesla, Nvidia, hey, Apple, y'all better be down in here with it. You better come with it.
AMC short sellers pocketed about $1.7 billion. Bed Bath & Beyond short sellers
Tesla,
took about $150 million. Of note to meme stock enthusiasts is that GameStop, though still down significantly year to date, has outperformed many of the other speculative assets. Short sellers have come out ahead, but they have not made the killing that they thought that they would. About $1.4 billion in short positions were placed this year, but these positions generated only $82 million in profit. That is, every $1 shorted against GameStop has netted short sellers on average only 6 cents.
Only 6 cents.
We empower those who act.
Wow.
Those who see the correlation.
Wow. So just catching that point where I'm sitting up, I'm like, guys, this is not where short sellers are in a waddle in a bind. We're down there throwing left and right, exchanging blow for blow right now. We're in a full-blown tournament, guys. I just want to tap in just to fill in on some certain things here, guys. Good Friday, which the markets are closed. Of course, somehow we have some trading activity that's going on. I just want you to know how distressed these people are and with what's going on with them. But just double tapping in here, they've got 200,000 shares available that they borrowed at 390%. That's not the killer. Prior to that batch, which they had borrowed 400,000 total, they bought at 778%, almost 800% was what they borrowed at on 200,000 shares. And it's only, with there being 400,000 they bought, only 200,000 available of that. Guys, these people are in the bundle. Short interest at 25%. I was looking down here at our dark pool percentage. Of course, not even reporting on this side, but over here we're seeing short percentage on dark pools at 59, 63% and rising, right? So that's giving me an implementation that this stuff is lined up a lot like how it was 2 years ago. We're in the line moving towards this court hearing on the 27th, where all things are pending. If that judge votes no, which, like I said, she seems like she is obviously not a simple pushover with already having filed that motion or denied that motion earlier, which is why we're back in this thing moving towards, pivotal levels. But there's a possibility this judge might say no, which that sends AMC to the moon. But nonetheless, I came to tap in because I've been sitting up and thinking, and I've been saying it the whole time, we're in a window of time, right, where we can get our money, our squeeze can happen, because this is a black swan. These things were not planned. You know what I'm saying? 25% cost to borrow. The conversion, things were so tight, guys. This right here, people need to pay attention to this right here. When the news broke that they were settling and the shares dropped like this, a conversion happened. That algo dropped shares and moved into 8. Clearly. And that was a decent amount of think about it now. For the stock to drop 30%, that was a lot of money that moved. And ape went up 25%. That conversion happened immediately. Look at that chart. Then immediately after the news that it's motion denied, dude. Look at the arbitrage, guys. These are the same company. These are supposed to be the same company. I mean, mind you, it's supposed to be a dividend, but it's now special. It was special equity. These are supposed to be the same company. They're supposed to move the exact same. These are moving opposite. Literally exactly opposite. We're building back up here, guys. Look at that key level at 516. If y'all look up here, this will be confirmation. Like I said, we already came up and tapped it, but a breakthrough of that, guys, we're gonna be up there moving again. That's been a key level that we've had problems with for the whole time. Obviously, with this algo that's trading it, right? But I feel like this algo's at a bind. I don't think that this algo can continue at this rate and this pace. There was a big slip up when they made that slippage and made that conversion happen when they dropped shares, because they sold shares that they now need back. Keep your heads on the pivot, guys. Everybody get ready. Hey, guys, we're pioneering forward. We're very close to money, but keep your head ready. You know that your AA, your leader, your CEO is trying to hit you in the back. You know you got short sellers with him trying to hit you in the back. Keep your heads on a swivel. But, guys, we're moving forward. This is that time in that window where we can run up some cash. There is no limit on the price right now. If something cues this thing off, this thing moves, buying pressure comes in, this thing sends off, there's nothing to stop it right now. And we got till the 27th. We got a long, like I said, we say a long time, but how it feels going day by day with this play, that feels like a long time. But we got till the 27th of this month, and things are building and pressuring up. There's no shares available. Them 200,000 gonna be gone as soon as market cracks on Monday. Next week is going to be crazy. Next week is going to be crazy. Everybody get ready. Like I said, we'll probably tap in tomorrow. I'm about to get ready to probably hit the gym. And like I said, I'm getting some droops, calm my nerves, get myself ready, a little celebration, if you will. But like I said, guys, this is a beautiful thing that we're in with our investments. How it plays out, like I said, we're getting ready to move on. I am personally moving into GTII. Here soon. I'm getting my cash ready to go in, because like I said, I'm gonna snatch it in the dividend. But like I said, that I feel like if things are going right again, like I said, that's the CEO that is working with his investors to take down the short sellers. So like I said, we've made money from it, we lost some money in it, but there's things that are accruing, and that dividend's going to allow for there to be an actual count of what's going on, how many actual shares are. So like I said, I'm throwing a couple bucks in that, but it's all about being smart. You got to be meticulous and move very steady with how you're investing and what plays you're doing. Because like I said, we are in a dry barren market right now. This is, you know, there's a lot of, oh, everything's okay. No, hey, everything is not okay. Things are tightening up. You need to be tight. And like I said, I'm gonna be dropping a video out here probably sometime this month about building a bulletproof portfolio where I have a portfolio which is Weeble, where I do my swing trades and high momentum trades. I also have a portfolio on Charles Schwab where I'm building up like VTII, Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, really these dividends. I'm building up, catching these things down at the bottom, guys. This is the biggest generational wealth transfer that's ever going to occur, and it's occurring right now. This is the time for you to plan in, get your seeds, put them down, and get ready for the next 5 years, because it's going to grow and expand. Like I said, guys, hey, I love y'all. I love retail. I appreciate y'all being here. I love all the support. I love the comments, guys. You know, this is a dream coming true, but if you love the video, if you like the video, if you found it informative, please give me a like, please give me a subscribe. You know, I'm trying to take this thing up there, baby. Y'all hold it down, get ready for next week. Hey, it's getting ready. Hey, she's brewing up, Shay. The rockets are on her. The rockets are on her. Some just got to spark that jet fuel at this point. And like I said, we're already kind of spewing up there. I just want to see how they're going to try to play this in that 516 level. Like I said, us breaking through that, you know, it's going to, in my personal opinion, is going to be a Q-Day. We're on a steady climb up, and don't let it be no steady climb up to 27. You know, this breaks past a certain amount. They can't keep sitting up here with the cost of brawl at 1,000%. They can't keep it going. But y'all, hey, hold it down. Hey, I enjoy being here with y'all. Let's get down to it, baby. Yes, sir.